Welcome back, friends. The session today after 10 a.m. looks more positive. We can see uh, it's on balance, it's a positive session today. We could see, however, some falls as well at 10:45 a.m., at 12 p.m., at 2:10 p.m., and at 2:35 p.m. But there could be some good sharp rises as well at 10:30 a.m., at 11:45 a.m., between 3 and 3:30 p.m. before the close of trading and the close of options expiration today, being the weekly options expiration. So the falls will be there, but these rises will also come around at good times to more than compensate. So good day. Otherwise, uh, as far as trading on the Sensex and the Nifty is concerned, and you might want to be, but there will be these sudden falls that will come to interrupt the rallies from time to time, and they will be fairly severe. So be cautious, and how much intensity and all will be there. I have always updated you all and also my subscribers to the Telegram channel. If you have still not subscribed to my Telegram channel, please do it immediately because we'll be closing the doors shortly. The number is for January, we will be shutting, and then it's going to be a very volatile month. So please take advantage. My WhatsApp number is 982-086-1044. Now, there used to be a time when Englishmen used to come to India and women in glittering saris used to go to the airport and welcome them with thalis in their hand, with, uh, with haldi, kumkum, garlands, and whatnot, fragrance, right? A nice tilak on their head, on their forehead. Now they want to come, but the flights have been banned. They're not allowed to come here. So there is no question of women with glittering saris going with thalis in their hand, kumkum, haldi, tilak, har. No. How the world has changed, friends. You can see. We were waiting for the Englishmen. Now they want to come, but we are not there to welcome them anymore. World has changed, friends. This was on a slightly lighter note. In these corona days, people have stopped the laughing also. I remember when I was learning, people you were teaching, and even now sometimes go to seminar. I am also speaking with some others. People talk for hours without a smile. I am little different, friends. I like to share some humor. Good taste, not to offend anyone. I am myself sensitive at heart. But little humor is always good to keep your day nice, keep you happy. Should be good humor. Don't offend anybody. I instead like to laugh at myself. Most of my jokes are more on myself. Not that I ever went with thalis in hand, with garland and tilak for these Englishmen or for the English cricket team for the matter when it came to India. But all their flights have been banned. These people which were looked forward to, oh, Englishmen have come. Now, all across the world is no, no, no. Anyway, this was just a touch of humor, friends. Please take it only in that sense. It was just to start off a good day for you all and hope that everything goes great for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. We are closing for the January month. We are taking few only. So 982-086-1044. Have a nice day and God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.